see, of course, the part I bought has a broken one here. I didn't realize that. But maybe these. No, let me see if I can pop this out. Oh, there is some long screws right here. There's like a Torx bit or something. Okay, that makes sense. Not sure if you guys can see that, but right here. So let me figure out what that is. Alright, looks like it's a T10. Man, it's so hot. And of course I'm over here doing this in the heat. You know how that goes. Alright, so let's pop this side out. And let's see, yep, same thing. Of course, mine's a work truck, so it doesn't have you know, the garage door opener, and I already know it's not gonna. I know these just pop down. That's probably why mine's broken, because that's pretty hard to pull that thing out. But anyways. See these long screws right here. See how mine doesn't have it here. And I hope this thing stays up there tight, even though that one side is broken. That kind of ticks me off because they didn't. I bought this off eBay, and they didn't make it exactly apparent. But I guess that's what you get on eBay. But everything looks like it should work. Let's see. It should just plug in. Oh, there's the light. Okay, well those are still good. So let's see, we have to get this one side in. Try to get it started. Yeah. Hopefully. Well, I guess it's gonna work, even with that one side broken. Yeah. Well, that's cool. Maybe they already knew that, so they didn't make a big deal about it. Like a little scratch right there or something. But alright, well, that was easy. So 2 Torx 10 screws, and then this just pops down, and then put the lens back on. I guess we should wipe it. So now I have 2 of these in case. Actually, I think this one goes with it. What else matters, honestly? Okay, so this one like this. Oh no, I think I gotta put this side in first. Yep. Probably should really get those changed out. so we got that in. Let's see if we got power. Yep, it's definitely lighting up. But anyways, so you can see that. All right, so they have power, so that's good. So to reset it, you're supposed to hold these both down. Well, I'm not sure what it's supposed to do. Maybe it's already reset. I don't know. Anyways, well, I still got to install, because these, from what I know, they will not work with the Chamberlain. All my garage door openers are Chamberlain now, and they won't work with these newer ones. So I did order a piece that's supposed to be like in between this and the Chamberlain, so hopefully it's gonna work. But anyways, I need to get that installed. Actually, what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna try this without it. It's probably not gonna work, and then I'll install that.